Hello guys, I'm back again. I'm Darshit from Smiles Here and Smiles There, coming live to you. Yeah, means almost live, right? You can pause, you can stop, you can mute, you can do anything. You have the power, you have the key in your hand, right? So, who's important? You are important. Your smiles are important, and hence the existence of my blog site, of me. Okay, right. So as I said in some of my previous videos that yeah, I'm at a new city. I started my new work, new job. Yeah, I'm loving it. It's great, but it's like 2 hour distance from where I stay right now. So I have to change place nearer to my office. But then this week, which I went like 2 hours single journey, 2 hours another return journey. So it's like 4 or 5 hours on road, mostly standing due to the traffic and the rush in the bus. But that's fine. That's totally fine. I loved it. Why? Because I learned many things. Things like actually when I remember the time when I went there for an interview, I was all lost. Means Google Map was also not helping much. I was late, and yeah, there were some troubles. Yeah, you are doing something for the first time. It is, it's natural to make mistakes. It's natural to get diverted, to get distracted. But then the thing lies in pivoting yourself. Like you hit a roadblock, you hit a dead end. You know that okay, I can't go any further, so I have to pivot myself to reach where I want to reach. So that was the first day, the day when I went for interview. It all went good. Yeah, green signals, butterfly, flying colors, yeah, everything. Then this week I have been, there are 2-3 different ways in which I can reach my work. So I tried everything, and now I know that okay, at which stop I have to get down from the bus so that it will be easier and I can reach early. So this thing actually helped. Now I don't need Google Map. Now I don't need to know the bus numbers in which I will travel to reach home or office. Why? Because I've been doing that stuff repeatedly, right? Throughout this week, I've done that. Yes. So that has actually, made an impact in my mind, in my system, and it's ingrained kind of. So this is the moral of this video. What? Doing things repeatedly. If you do good things repeatedly, you are going to be blessed by awesome happiness and everything. If you do bad things repeatedly but with zeal, yeah, you can be happy. Why not? Aren't the terrorists and every other people happy? Yeah, they all are happy in their own. We all have our own definition of happiness, of sadness, of success, of pain, and we try to live with that. Live according to that. So similarly, the major agenda of today's video is to do repetitive stuff. If we keep on doing good stuff on a regular basis, it will be good for us. It will be ingrained in our blood. It will be us. That good thing will be us. So my major topic on writing or video making is always based on smiles. Like concentrate myself, my power on smiles. I try to do that repeatedly. See, yay, I have a dimple too. Yes, and my sister's name is Dimple, so coincidence. So similarly, do the good stuff repeatedly, and I'm sure you will be blessed by good things, good times. And as the weekend is here, happy weekend, stay fine, and see you again in the next video. Do comment, please, okay? Or subscribe. Bye.